Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these two pictures of what it looks like when I go to the pen tool and get my outline, and what it looks like when he goes gets it. He wants it to be like this. This is extremely easy with nothing selected, so it'll change it all the time. Hit F12 on your keyboard, go to graphic, go right here to your colors, and this is what he's getting. So to change that, just hit this gear and turn this off, show color names. And then you just get this. And then you can make it red, say okay. And then every time you draw a graphic, mine is a hairline, so it's a red hairline. So F12 on your keyboard. See, I've got something selected this time, so it just came up without asking the question. And just go right here to the gear and change it. Now you can always go double click on this, but sometimes, well, like right now, it's not going to work because I got that selected. So instead of hitting F12, you can double click on your pen tool. I just got so used to hitting F12 when that comes up. So with something selected, so if you want to change it forever, don't have anything selected, hit F12 on your keyboard. It's going to come up and ask you a graphic. And then when you get to hairline red or whatever you want, if you want it in inches, millimeters, points, I like mine on points. I'd actually go ahead and scale with object and then say okay, and then go to tools and save as default and have everything selected and then say save. So now when I open up Corel the next time or create a new page, I'm going to draw in a red hairline every time. Anyway, I hope that helped answer this question. Thank you for watching.